In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Play services. If some apps are crashing, not loading properly, or showing Google-related errors, updating Google Play services can often help. This system app is important because it supports many Android features in the background, including app updates, location services, notifications, and sign-in functions. The exact menu names may vary a little depending on your phone brand, but the overall process is very similar. First, open the Settings app on your device. Once you're in Settings, look for a section called App Management. On some phones, this might also appear as Apps, Applications, or Manage Apps. If you don't see the exact same wording, don't worry. Just look for the area where your installed apps are listed and managed. After that, go into the app list. This is where your phone shows all installed apps, including system apps. Depending on your device, the list may take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of apps installed. You may also need to make sure system apps are visible if your phone hides them by default. Once you're inside the app list, search for Google Play services. Using the search bar is usually the fastest way, but you can also scroll manually through the list if needed. Be careful to select Google Play services specifically since it's different from the Google Play Store. When you find Google Play services, tap on it to open the app information page. From there, scroll down until you see app details. This option usually redirects you to its page in the Google Play Store where updates are handled. If your phone takes you out of settings, that's completely normal. Now check whether an update is available. If you see an update button, tap it and allow the installation to finish. It's a good idea to stay connected to Wi-Fi and keep your battery charged while the update completes, just to avoid interruptions. The process usually only takes a short time. If instead you only see options like deactivate or installed, that means Google Play Services is already up to date and no action is needed. In that case, the issue you're troubleshooting may be caused by something else, but at least you've confirmed this part is current. And that's it. That's how to update Google Play Services on your Android device. Once the update is complete, you can return to the app that was giving you trouble and see if the issue has been resolved.